The Blossom Cosmetics product I got today is, I got this one. This is their HD makeup compact powder. So we are going to open it together. I'm already showing you the pencil, and I got their retractable pencil. Well, let me show you guys the pencil first. So I'm going to tear it off. So you guys, this is how the pencil looks like. You can twist it and it comes out like this, and it's really slim. And I just broke it. You guys, you have to be careful when you are rotating it. Like, I just broke it. Okay, so I'm about to use this pencil. So I'm going to use the brush here and just oh my god guys, I really love this. Like, can you see how precise the line it's giving me? I really regret not shaving my brows. I really love this, guys. Look at, just look. The pencil is soft, at the same time it's precise. You guys just see that. This is the first time I'm actually using a retractable pencil that I really do like. Look at this. So I'm just going to start filling it with strokes, just following my natural brows, and I'm doing this gently. Alright guys, I really love this pencil. I already did my second brow, and now I'm going to be cleaning my eyes with the concealer. My all-time favorite right now is Ezekiel Second Skin. If you've been watching my recent videos, you would know that, because it helps me also as a primer. For my eye look, since this is just a review video, I'm going to do a very simple look. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to use now is their powder. This is how it looks like out of the pack. And then you open it. I really like the packaging, but the mirror is so blurry guys. Like, you can't, is there something covering it? Maybe there's something covering. There's nothing covering it, but the mirror I got is so blurry. And then you get this, which I of course never use, and then there's instead of the usual film, that slim plastic film they put this cover instead to protect the powder. So this one, I'm sure even when mistakenly the powder falls from your hand and it gets broken, this will protect it from spilling out, because that's what happened that's why I had to go and get another powder. Actually, I have a powder palette, and for over a year now, almost going to 2 years, I've not bought face powder. I've been using, that's the advantage of buying a powder palette. And now I had to get this because it fell and broke, so that was why I was like, okay, why don't you just get a face powder? So I'm going to apply this now on my face just to set it down. Ooh, guys, can you see? First of all, it is really powdery, so you have to be careful and just tap in gently so that it doesn't pour out. But guys, I love this. It is, I think it is a full coverage powder because the pigmentation and it's thick. I really do love this. I haven't actually contoured, I'm just using it to set down my foundation. I love this. It reminds me of the Milani powder, that their compact powder. That's what it reminds me of. Oh my, aside the fact that the mirror they gave me is blurry, I guess the pigmentation of this powder makes me feel okay, so I'm not mad at all. So I'm going to set my contour now with a random contour palette that I have here. I didn't bring my face definer along with me. Most of my things I left them back at home, so I'm going to just contour my face right now. Lately I've been enjoying blushing and contouring at the same time, like just do both of them at the same time. So I mix my blush and my contour together. It makes it look more natural. So that's what I prefer to do nowadays. Alright guys, so while my face is baking, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the last product I got from Blossom Cosmetics, which is their Afro Chic lipstick palette, which just came out. They just launched it, I think this month, because it was this month I started seeing the advert on it. So I'm going to open it up. It actually looks bigger than what I thought it was going to be, because when you see it on Instagram, it was on Instagram I saw it. When I saw it on Instagram, I was thinking it was going to be way smaller than this, because I didn't expect the size. So this is how it comes. It comes with this protective, this bubble wrap, so that it doesn't break. The packaging is very fragile. It's very fragile. What can I compare this with now? Let me think. What can I compare this with that you would understand how fragile it is? But it's very fragile though. If this thing should fall from your hand, guys, it will be a disaster. Especially for a clumsy person. I'm a very clumsy person, so I'm gonna take my time. But the only good thing with this is that I think it's going to be easy to take stains out from here in case you stain it, you know, in the course of your work. And this I would recommend if you're a makeup artist. You know, you can do different looks with it. You can mix up this thing and bring out different cute looks. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to apply so guys, power went off. I told you guys I was going to pair the look with a very simple look, which was exactly what I did. So I only just did my eyelashes, I only just did my eyeshadow, applied lashes, and you know, eyeliner and all of that. If you haven't watched my video about how to do wing liner, in case you are still struggling, I would leave a card up, and I'll also leave it in the description bar. So I'm going back into this Blossom Cosmetics high definition powder, and I can't see a thing in their mirror, so I'm going to pick up my own mirror so that I can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to use this to dust off the powder and to make it blend without any harsh lines. So what do you guys think? Do you think it's doing, like, it's so powdery, guys? I think it's doing an okay job, you know, melting down the setting powder, and I'm going to use it here as well. I forgot to contour my nose. I do like how it has helped me tone down my highlights. And it's helping me blend the harshness away. Guys, I love the powder. I love the powder. The powder is nice, it's amazing, and it is not just taking away the highlight for my face. Like, my face is still highlighted and it is blended at the same time. I'm going to take it over my forehead to also blend out that area and to reduce and blend the contouring. And then I'm going to highlight my face to prepare for the lip palette. I'm using this same Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette as my highlighter. Like, I have no makeup product here. I have very little makeup products with me here. I'm going to apply this here, my nose, and then I'll blend it. Here. So guys, finally I'm going to be playing with this palette. I don't have any lip brushes, so I will definitely be using the lip brushes that are available in this palette. It comes with 2 applicator brush, and but I'm going to use the applicator brush because I don't have any other one. I really don't know what look to go for. Like, they are really amazing colors here. Okay, I think I should go for a nude combination, so I'm going to go for this and this. So guys, finally this is what I was able to come up with. I really like the lip look. It's dark, like it's late in the night, and it's only the ring light that is like my major source of light. That's the only thing I could use to see, so it's in my face and all of that. I just hope it turned out really good. And a ring light stand is not here, so it's a hustle actually arranging it, but I think I like it. I really like the yellow in this palette. I think that's like my favorite shade, because it has been so difficult for me these days to actually do a nude lip combination. Like, so many things just don't, you know, I have like dark lines around my lips, like my lips are lined, so dark lipsticks actually don't look so nice on me, because it should just make that area look dark, and it will make yeah, make my, like, see if I have mustache. So I really do love this combination. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. So guys, my final thought, I love this palette. It's very versatile. It has a lot of colors. You can mix so many colors here and come out with even different shades that are not here. So it's very economical. It's big. This is going, if you have a lot of clients, like, I think I'm going to be using this for the next 10 years, to be very sincere with you guys. It's so much, like, the palette is amazing. It's very fragile though. You have to be careful when you're using it. It retailed for, I got it for 6,000 naira from an Instagram vendor. The second thing I tried from them is this powder. I really love this powder. Like, you can actually, I think you can actually just apply this if you have a smooth face and you don't have a lot of spots on your skin. And even if you do, like, this powder you can just take your bath, apply your moisturizer, and just put this powder. It would serve you. Then lastly, their retractable pencil. I love this pencil, guys, even though I broke it. I love this pencil, and it helped me draw a very precise, like, I didn't even have to do so much defining, because on its own it helped me define my brow. And it has this amazing spoolie at the back that allows you brush your eyebrows. So generally, I'm not mad at all for spending this amount of money. I got the palette for 6,000 naira. I got the pencil for 1,500. I got the powder for 2,000 naira retail price. So I think it's worth me buying. It's worth me buying. I'm dying to try out the eyeshadow palette. I'm still contemplating. I don't think I'm going to buy it though, because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes already. But I wouldn't mind if somebody gifts me with it, really. I wouldn't mind. So we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Please, guys, like this video, share, comment, and subscribe, because it's going to help me a whole lot. I'm trying to grow to at least 500 subscribers. It's not so much. Please help me get to 500 subscribers. Help me share this video, and till I come your way again next time. Ciao.